Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making peri peri chilled chicken wrap. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You're gonna need chicken breast, white pepper, peri peri chili sauce, chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, mayo, pepper jack cheese, flour tortillas, onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna place chicken between two plastic wraps. One is underneath and the other one is on top, guys. Use the meat mallet on the flat side and pound the chicken. When each piece of chicken breast is a different size, they will cook at an even rate. That's why we pound the chicken to an even thickness. Also, pounding the chicken tenderizes the meat, making the cooked results more tender. Now we're gonna place our meat in the bowl and set it aside. Now we're gonna move on to make the marinade for the chicken. In a small bowl, add mayo. We're gonna also add peri peri chili sauce, white pepper, we're gonna also add black pepper, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, then give it a good mix, just like so, guys. Then we're gonna set it aside until ready to use. Now we're gonna move on and season our chicken with salt, just like so, guys. Pour the sauce over the chicken and coat well. Then we're gonna let it marinate for 1 hour in the refrigerator. So it's been 1 hour. Now it's time to bake our chicken. Grease the baking sheet with cooking spray and place the chicken. We're gonna bake this chicken at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While our chicken is baking, we're gonna go ahead and chop the vegetables. We're gonna start off with the onion. I love homemade wraps, guys. They are so easy to make. This chicken wrap is one of those recipes that you want to make again and again. That's so easy and perfect. Next, we're gonna chop the bell peppers. One thing that I normally do, guys, I always reserve the scraps, the top and the bottom of bell peppers, then dice them into small chunks, and when I make my breakfast, I use them. You can store them in a Ziploc or a small container. If you'll have to use them the following day, put them in the fridge or in the freezer for later use. In a large skillet, I have my oil heated up. I'm gonna add onions along with peppers. Then I'm gonna season with black pepper, salt, and minced garlic. Stir fry for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna go ahead and dice our tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes, guys. Place them in a bowl. The chicken breasts are out of the oven. Guys, it smells so good here. One thing I like about this chicken breast, they are so moist, juicy. Look at that, guys. Look at the juices, and tender. Now we're gonna slice them and get ready to assemble our wraps. Looks so good, guys. Okay, let's assemble our wraps. Place the tortilla wrap on a cutting board. Spread mayo. Then place your chicken breasts. Peppers. Tomatoes. Then cheese. Lots of cheese, guys. I love cheese, guys. Now we're gonna wrap and tuck in everything just like so, guys. Tuck in and close our wrap and set it aside. Continue the same process with the remaining ingredients. Next, we are going to fry the wraps. In a medium skillet, I have my oil going on. I'm gonna place my chicken wraps and brown them on all sides. Just like so, guys. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and you'll try it. And if you do, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. Guys, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Help us to grow this channel by liking it and leaving the comments. Please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.